Hello and welcome to the third instructional video of this web quest. In this instructional video we're going to talk about multi-level lists. And to explain you what multi-level lists are, I've brought my holiday checklist, which is quite blank and not quite organized yet. I've typed down some things that I'd like to bring my toiletries, but as I go on a long trip, I of course need more. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with the clothes, and I'd like to put it in a multi-level list so that I know which things are important and which things are less important. Of course, we go to the home tab in the ribbon, to the group paragraph, where we have our three icons. The first one's of the bulleted lists, the second one of the numbered list, and the last one is the multi-level list. Let's take a closer look at it. It doesn't matter if you click the icon or the arrow, they will automatically unfold a new list where we can see the current lists we're working with and the things that are in our list library. We're going to pick the current lists to work with, as that will be a bit easier. So I've chosen the current list and we're off. So I'm going to type down the clothes, and then what clothes am I going to bring? As you can see, I just pressed tab on my keyboard and I created a whole other level. So this is the clear example of the multi-level list. So what am I going to bring? I'm going to bring a t-shirt. Perhaps I can bring 5. I'm going to bring some pants. I'm going to bring 1 because I'm going to a sunny island. I'm going to bring some shorts. I'll bring 2 more of those, and I'm going to bring some underwear. 5 of those as well. Well, since our tab of clothes is completed, we can continue with toiletries, but I've already written them down in a hurry. But I want them to be organized, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to select them and I'm going to press multi-level list, and then I'm going to say just work in a current list. Now they started numbering all over again. That's not what we meant. We just press the lightning arrow and we choose for continue numbering, and as you can see we just continue on numbering. And something else that bothers me is that they're all equal, but toiletries is just a title and the other things are all toiletries. So we're going to press the tab key on our keyboard yet again to make them move in a little bit. So once that is done, we can take a look at it if everything is organized. So if I take a look at it, the toothbrush and the toothpaste and the dental floss are actually all made up for dental hygiene. So I'm just going to make toothbrush the main thing and then press tab again so that I know that toothpaste and dental floss are 2 extra things. The comb, the shampoo, the shower gel and the wax are all things made up for my hair, but I don't think it's necessary to use another title, since the comb and the wax are 2 different things and the shower gel and the shampoo are both used in the shower. Now perhaps I want to quit numbering things and I want to think about extras to bring, but I don't think extras can use the same multi-level list as the one I just used right now. So I have to edit my layout. So how we're going to do that? Well, it's actually quite the same as using bulleted or numbered list. We're just going to use the fold button. We're going to define a new multi-level list, and then you can see this nice dialog screen. We can use the button more to see even more things we can change, and if you want to adjust things, you can just do it right here. You can change the font, you can change the number and style of this level, how the number is aligned, and such things. But I don't want to use a number in this one. I want to use a letter. I'm going to use the capital A, and then I'd like to adjust the level, the second level, so that there's not a capital A or a letter. I want to use Roman numerals there. As you can see, I've done this, and since I only know I'm going to use 2 levels, I can just press OK. And now I do have my new numbering, and I can say that what I'm going to bring are extras. For example, my cell phone charger, and I might even bring my Nintendo DS. There's a small typo, and I might even bring my Nintendo DS. So now I've got a small holiday checklist which I can use to go on vacation, and this was the third instructional video.